How to find Clipboard on Android. Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. Today I'll be showing you the ways on how you can find Clipboard on Android. So in order to locate Clipboard on Android, it's very simple. First of all, what you can do is you can simply open up a random application. So for now I'm just gonna open up WhatsApp. So open up the chat page. Let's go with the chat page, and after that you can see right at the bottom you have the text bar. Now type in something. So let me just copy this particular text, select all and click on the copy button. Now this particular text has been copied. Just tap on the arrow icon and then go to the text box once again, and as you can see, this is the particular item that I've recently copied. Now let's go with removing the copied items. I've not actually removed it, but just removed from there. Now tap on the icon located right in the corner here. After that you can see there is multiple tools. You can see right in between you have the board icon. Just tap on it. This is actually your clipboard. You can see this is the clipboard and all of your copied text will be saved or stored right over here. So you can see this is how it's gonna show. And if you want to enable the clipboard, just toggle the button right over here and click on turn on clipboard. After that you can just simply find the clipboard icon just like this. So basically you can do this procedure with all of the applications such as maybe Instagram, maybe Facebook, Messenger and all that. So this is how you can find or locate Clipboard on Android. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. If it did really help you, make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.